Now this time it gives me the new project structure, and let's see. But I don't like to make this, so let's see the what we are going to do. Let see. But now I am going to again running the app 03. I not would like to make the uh, s- um, like to make the uh, this app again. I want to update the codes to run this app. So let's see. By the way, I am activating the ATS resume env. Sorry, ATS resume uh, env like environment. Okay, the environment is activated. Now we need to set the path. Let's set the path. Okay, path is set and I am going to running the app. Let's see it starting the no. Yes, application startup complete. We need to uh, open the link. Okay, I open the link. Now let's see it loading. Okay, the app is started. App is loaded. Okay, I select the demo resume. Let's check. Okay, it not showing anything there. We need to solve this problem, and let's solve the problem. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Now this time I open the new chat to solve the problem, and in previous chat ChatGPT making the hallucination and it not working well. So why it give me the new project, and it forget the previous project, and now I am giving the all problem to the ChatGPT to because ChatGPT solve it. Let's see. The main error, I think, in the HTML result.htmlc, and in main.py file. So let's see. Okay, it gives me the answer, but uh, I forget to give the code, and now this time I am giving the code to the ChatGPT. Let's see. Now this time it gives me clean and up-to-date code of HTML and main file. So let's copy the code and paste the in the VS Code. Okay, the app is running, and let open the link and check the app. But it not working well. It again showing some error. In backend in the terminal it's showing 422 error, and let copy this error and so go to ChatGPT to solve it, and let's solve it. It gives me code to update edit.html, and now paste, sorry, copy and paste it here. Okay, I paste it here, and let again run the app, and again I run the app, and let open the app. No, it again showing the error, and it not working well. So let solve this error. It not working well. Now this time I upgrade the index.html file, and again I start the app. Now this time it's showing me Chinese, and cha chu chi chi chong chi chi cha chi. I don't understand. That is so funny. So why I am laughing? Okay, I tell the ChatGPT, and it saying the problem in the result.html. So let's see how we can solve it. Now this time I give my long prompt and tell the some point to the ChatGPT. First, we need 4 pages for this app, and uh, you also watch my prompt on the screen. The prompt is long, but okay, I enter and let's see. Now this time it gives me page flow and folder structure and all courses of files, all HTML codes. Okay, so let's upgrade the all things. Now this time I am telling about some files it tell me in the beginning of this project. Do they have any work to there? Let's see. But at no, they not required for the simple 4 pages version we built just. Okay. So we need to uh, delete these files. Okay, I am going to delete these files. Not now, after the project. Okay. Now this time I upgraded all files and let's start this app. Okay, app is started. Let's check this app again. Uh, okay, let's check. ATS score is 80 and let improve with AI. But here is a internal server error and okay, let's solve this error with the AI. Okay, I tell it and it's showing the problem is with the model Gemini 1.5 flash. The model is making problem. So let's solve this. Okay, I choose the 2.0 flash model and let's see this time it work or not. Okay, I solved the internal 500 error, but it take my much time and here is the little bit things we need to change. We need to upgrade. Okay, but first how I solve this error? You need to go Google Cloud, then choose the new project, then go to APIs and services section and then open the enable APIs and services, then search the Gemini API and then open the Gemini API and enable it. Okay, you enable it here. Okay, easily. Then go to Google Studio and get API key, open it and then go to create a API key, then choose your project and then copy the API key easily. Okay, now this time we are solving the markdown code result. It give me in the markdown code result and you also need to choose the Gemini 2.0 flash model, then it work. Okay, other than not it work. Now I am testing my app again and this time I hope it work. Let improve the resume with AI with and also free. Okay. Okay, it give me something, but it not upgrading my resume, my demo resume, and this is not well. This is not good. Now I am telling ChatGPT it work, but it give me the suggestions, not it improving my resume. So let solve this error. We need to up to date the prompt in main file. Okay, let update. Okay, I upgrade the prompt and I hope this time it gives me the right. Let's see. No, it not improving my resume and still it giving me the uh, suggestions. Okay, I solved the previous error, but now this time it's showing me Gemini token errors, out tokens. Now I remove the token system and let see it will be fine or not. Okay, finally the app is working after many try again and again and after many errors Now the app is finally working, and um, it improving my all the resume easily, and uh, the app is complete. Okay, my project is finally complete. This is my first project I have completed in a long time. I have completed many projects, but for some time I was not completing projects and was leaving them. Now finally the app is complete, but still this app need to upgradations and need to some add new features. Okay. The one thing, the 8 score that were showing in the app were all fake. We will have to create a function if you want the original scores. Okay. This was our video for today. See you later. Bye bye.